In his passing, we have lost a patriot of uncommon courage, a Pan-Africanist, a unifier who sought peace and unity above power and self-gain, an unceasing servant of the people who gave his all to the promise of a better Kenya. On behalf of a grateful nation, I extend my deepest condolences to Mama Ida, his children, Rosemary, Raila Jr., and Winnie, the entire Odinga family, led by my brother Oburu Oginga, to the leadership and members of Orange Democratic Movement, and to all Kenyans who share in this immense and immeasurable loss. In honor of the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga's extraordinary contribution to our nation, I have declared a 7-day period of national mourning, during which the national flag shall fly at half-mast across the Republic of Kenya and in all our missions abroad. As a mark of respect, I have postponed all my public engagements for the coming days, and I ask all other public servants and leaders to do the same so that we can join the nation in this period of mourning and deep reflection. Our former Prime Minister, Raila Amolo Odinga, shall be accorded a state funeral with all attendant honors. In consultation with the family, a committee to be co-chaired by the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, and the Siaya Senator Oburu Odinga has been set up to coordinate the funeral arrangements. At the same time, the Government of India, at the request of the Government of Kenya, has offered to facilitate the repatriation of the remains of our former Prime Minister. Consequently, a delegation comprising government officials and family members, led by Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi, is leaving immediately for India to facilitate proper organization in the repatriation of the remains of our brother, the Honorable Raila Odinga. Delegation, our Cabinet Secretaries, Kipchumba Murkomen, Hassan Joho, and other ministers, National Assembly Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah, Minority Leader Junet Mohammed, and other members of the Odinga family, Jaoko Oburu Odinga, Kevin Obio Oginga, and others, and Mama Ida herself. The family has finally decided that she will join those who will be going to recover the remains of the Honorable Raila Odinga. Fellow patriots, we have lost a beacon of courage, a tower of principle, and a father of our democracy. Let us come together as he always urged us to do, not as rivals, but as brothers and sisters bound by a shared destiny. As we move, I call on all Kenyans to reflect on his towering legacy by Right Honorable Raila Odinga's life, work, ideas, and example. In a political career spanning decades, Raila Amolo Odinga offered a compelling model of principled politics. And at a critical moment in our nation's journey, he always put Kenya first before individual or personal interest. May his soul rest in eternal peace. May God comfort his family. May God bless Kenya. I thank you.
President William Ruto Muroreri ucio ni President William Ruto hamwe na atongoria angi mari kuria thingira-ini wa iregi kuria akorwo akiruta ndumiriri ya gucakaya mutongoria uyu Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga kuria akorwo agitariria maundu matiganite mamwegie na makiria kuheana mwerekera wa maundu uria megukorwo magitwarithio na mbere kumagia ihinda-ini riri kona ni akorwo agitariria ati mutongoria uyu agakorwo akiheo kana mathiko make magakorwo makiheo gitio kia gifururi na ni mutaratara uria ukoragwo ukirumirirwo hindi iria twanona atongoria aria manatongoria ta president makiheo gitio kiu koguo mathiko make magakorwo magitabanio na njira iyo na president ni akorwo agitariria ati kamiti iria egukorwo kiambiriria mihango ya kuhaririria mathiko ma Raila Odinga egukorwo igitongorio ni munini wa president Professor Kithure Kindiki odumwe na Murwanyina na Odinga Oburu Odinga. President ni akorwo akiruta ndumiriri ino na gutariria Odinga na njira itiganite. Uyu ari mundu makoretwo makirutithania wira nake kwa ihinda iraya nona thiko-ini ici cia muthia ririkana ni makorirwo magiuka hamwe na gwikanirira ngirimiti uhoro wa wigie kurutithania wira thirikari-ini iria maretaga ya broad based government na kuri na maundu 10 maria maigwi